Asenath is a biblical figure, the wife of Joseph, son of Jacob, who became governor of Egypt. Her marriage to Joseph resulted in the birth of Manasseh and Ephraim, heads of 2 of the 12 tribes of Israel. Genesis 41 verse 45 mentions Asenath as the daughter of Potiphar, priest of On, a city known for worshipping Ra. As a priest's daughter, she likely had a privileged education and was familiar with Egyptian customs and religion. When Joseph interpreted Pharaoh's dreams and became governor, Pharaoh gave Asenath to him as a wife. This marriage was both a reward and a political act, linking Joseph with the Egyptian religious elite. The Bible provides few details about their relationship, but it was stable and blessed. They had 2 sons, Manasseh, meaning God has made me forget my sufferings, and Ephraim, meaning God has made me fruitful in the land of my affliction. Raised in the Egyptian court, Manasseh and Ephraim were later adopted by Jacob as his own, Genesis 48 verse 5, making them founders of their own tribes, the tribe of Manasseh and the tribe of Ephraim. Asenath's descendants played a crucial role in Israel's history. Jacob blessed Joseph's sons, giving them the same position as his own children, ensuring they received a share of Israel's inheritance. Jacob crossed his hands, placing the greater blessing on Ephraim, the younger, instead of Manasseh, the firstborn, Genesis 48 verses 14 to 20. Ephraim emerged as a strong and prominent tribe in Israel. The tribe of Ephraim became influential and powerful, producing leaders like Joshua, Moses' successor, who led the Israelites to the Promised Land. Manasseh occupied a vast territory, receiving land in Cisjordania and Transjordania. Its strategic location influenced Israel's defense and expansion. Although not central in the biblical narrative, Asenath's influence and legacy are undeniable. Through her, Joseph's inheritance expanded in Israel, and her children shaped the Hebrew nation. Her story symbolizes the inclusion of the foreigner into the people of God. Despite being Egyptian, her descendants integrated into Israel's history, showing God's use of different nations to fulfill his purpose. Asenath's story is a testament to redemption, divine providence, and how God intertwines lives to fulfill his divine plan.